On a quiet night alone, piano's gentle tone, heart soft whispers known, echoes of love have grown. Moonlight through the blinds, in this room we find moments intertwined, leaving words behind. Echoes of love floating high above, soft and slow they move, whispers in the groove, fingers on the keys, melody like breeze. Worries start to ease, heart begins to please. Through the night we play, dreams won't fade away. In this tune we stay till the break of day. Life's simple lullaby under starry sky. Feel the reasons why echoes of love can't lie. Echoes of love floating high above, soft and slow they move, whispers in the groove. To please. Through the night we play, dreams won't fade away. In this tune we stay till the break of day. Life's simple lullaby under starry sky. Feel the reasons why echoes of love can't lie. Through the night we play, dreams won't fade away. In this tune we stay till the break of day. Life's simple lullaby under starry sky. Feel the reasons why echoes of love can't lie. On a quiet night alone, piano's gentle tone, heart soft whispers known, echoes of love have grown. Moonlight through the blinds, in this room we find moments intertwined, leaving words behind. Echoes of love, floating high above, soft and slow they move, whispers in the groove. Fingers on the keys, melody like breeze. Worries start to ease, heart begins to please. Through the night we play, dreams won't fade away. In this tune we stay till the break of day. Life's simple lullaby under starry sky. Feel the reason reasons why echoes of love can't lie. Whisper through the trees, echo down the hill, dull simmer soft sound, catching every thrill. Melody so sweet, dancing in the air, heard in the twilight, harmony so rare. Whispered dulcimer, gentle and serene, playing to the stars in a tranquil scene. The sun is setting slow, river flows so deep, songs of the old times, lullaby to sleep. Listen to the wind, feel the night's embrace. Dulcimer brings peace in this quiet place. Stars are shining bright, moonlight silver beams. In the hush of night, living in our dreams. Oh, whisper through the trees, echo down the hill, dulcimer soft sound, catching every thrill. Melody so sweet, dancing in the air, heard in the twilight, harmony so rare. Whisper dulcimer, gentle and serene, playing to the stars in a tranquil scene. Sun is setting slow, river flows so deep, songs of the old times, lullaby to sleep.
Listen to the wind, feel the night's embrace. Dulcimer brings peace in this quiet place. Stars are shining bright, moonlight silver beams in the hush of night, living in our dreams.